how to fix Instagram crash problem. So let's get started. Firstly, try restarting your device. A simple restart can resolve many issues. Power off your device, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. After that, go to the Instagram and simply delete your Instagram and re-download it. Once you delete it, make sure to re-download it. After that, go to the App Store and search for the Instagram and look if the Instagram updates is available. If there is an update available next to the Instagram, then make sure to update it. Now, after all this, go to the settings and now in settings, scroll down, tap on the general. Inside general, tap on iPhone storage. Then look for the Instagram from the listed apps. Then make sure to upload the app and reinstall it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.